Hi, in this video we will see how we can create this type of animation using Final Cut Pro, and we will use only the keyframe feature in Final Cut Pro. So let's get started. So this is the main window of my Final Cut Pro. So there is a small video and a small logo. So if we drag the timeline, we'll see the image, the logo is static on top of the video. So we'll make an animation. At first we need to select the timeline. So I'm going to select here, and then here we'll find an option that is called position, and there is diamond sign. We just need to click here to enable the keyframe. Now we need to drag the timeline, and then we need to put the position of the image where we want to put, and then we have to move again in the timeline, and then next time we are going to put the image different location, and in this way we are dragging and dropping the thing, and the keyframe is automatically creating Final Cut by default. And now we are done. So once it is done, then if we scroll the timeline on top of the video, then we'll see that the image is moving, and if we try to play it, we'll see the sample output which is moving based on the location where we put the image on the timeline. And that's it. In this way we can easily create an animation using Final Cut Pro, using only the keyframe feature of Final Cut Pro. Thank you guys for watching the video.